Police, fire, and ambulance dispatchers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Police, fire, and ambulance dispatchers, also known as public safety telecommunicators, are responsible for responding to both emergency and non-emergency calls. Work environment. Police, fire, and ambulance dispatchers work in emergency communication centers called public safety answering points. Dispatchers must be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so they frequently work evenings, weekends, and holidays. Overtime and 12-hour shifts are common. It can be stressful to be under pressure to respond quickly and calmly in alarming situations. How to become one. A high school diploma is required for most police, fire, and ambulance dispatchers. Getting certified as a dispatcher is required in many states. Salary. The median annual wage for police, fire, and ambulance dispatchers is $41,910. Job outlook. Employment of police, fire, and ambulance dispatchers is projected to grow 6% over the next 10 years, faster than the average for all occupations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel to receive the most recent career and education videos. Share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Remember to click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box.